Here I have REALME P3 Lite, and let me show you how to enable or disable the AI noise reduction call. So let's begin. So noise reduction is like a new feature, and let me show you how to find it. All you need to do is open the list of all apps, choose your settings of course, and from the list of settings you can find the special features. It's right here, this star icon. From special features you can find the AI noise reduction call. So during voice or video calls, AI noise reduction call reduces background noise to enhance the clarity of your conversation. So it's super useful when you are talking with someone during your walk or when you are in some crowded places. Let's just enable this feature, and now the AI will clarify your noise and it should be better to your listeners. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.